Hello and welcome to JoJo's Homemaker and Lifestyle. Today we are going to be doing something I've never done before. It is a first. I'm going to groom Poppy and I've bought this. It is I think a professional one. It's called Wow and it's a multi-cut dog clipper kit. I'm hoping it does come with a comb. I've not even looked at it myself yet, so I've not unpacked it or anything as yet. That's it there. And I've also bought a toothbrush and toothpaste, which again she's never had done before. So that'll be interesting. So we're going to give her a little clip, brush her teeth, and then I'm going to bath her. I've got some little treats ready here, just to keep her happy whilst I'm doing it. Like I say, I've never done this before. I always take her to the groomers to have her done. It costs me £40 every time I take Poppy for a clip and a wash. So I thought, right, I've invested in these clippers. They cost me £25. I did buy them on Vinted, but they are brand new, never been used. So it's cost me less just to buy that than it has to take her to be clipped. Now, the only thing I'm not going to do, or even going to attempt to do, is cut her claws, clip her claws. I shall let the vet do them, or I might even take her to Bev to let her do that. So I'm going to bring her up on the table. I'll show you what I've got all ready for her and we'll see how we get on. That's everything all ready, and I shall stand her on the table in the hope that she stands still and lets me do it. She is used to being clipped. She's had it done ever since she was a pup, so it's not something that's new to her. She hasn't ever had her teeth cleaned after saying that. She's always had the dog chews that clean the teeth, but she's never had her teeth actually cleaned with a little brush, so that will be interesting. I'm going to go get her now and see how we get on. First of all though, I think we will have a look at these clippers and I'll unpack those with you. So let's unpack this and see what it's like. So it's nice, it's in a nice little case. There we go. It obviously hasn't been used, it's all brand new, so that's good. Oh, there isn't a comb. Oh, there is a comb. Is there a comb? No, there isn't a comb actually. Oh, you would have thought there'd be a comb with it. There is some little scissors, so that's good. And there you go. So there are your clippers. I need to decide what number to do it on. I don't know if they're the same as, yeah, they are. I think they're the same as normal clippers. The number 2 I think I'm going to do it on. Number 2's pretty short, but not too short. There. So you've got the guard there, so you can't, I'm not going to catch her or anything, because that's what that guard's there for, to stop the blade from getting her. So it's it'll be fine. So let's have a look. There we go. The toothbrush and the toothpaste, it's just got that from Amazon. So I will let you know, well, you'll see what that's like and if she likes it and how we get on. Like I said, I've never done that before either, so I'm hoping she lets me do it. If she likes the taste of it, then I'm quite sure she won't mind me doing it. But we'll try that afterwards, because I want to cut her first. But I'm going to bring her up on the table. She knows there's treats up here, so she's eager to get up. Do you want a treat, Poppy? What's this? What's this? Come on then, wait. Oh, there we go. There you go. That's a good girl. So here is Poppy. No, you can't have those. No. Where can I put them? I'll put them here. So first of all, we're going to give her a little brush. She does like this part. She likes being brushed. and she's very good. Whenever I bath her, because I do bath her, and she really does stand still and just lets you do it. Even with the hairdryer, she's not bothered. The noise doesn't bother her or anything. Now, she's not that long, so that's why I thought I would do it now before she gets too long, to see how I get on, because I thought partly it'd be easier for me and it'd be better for her as well if she's not too long, and it would just be easier really. So here we go. She's not hairy underneath really. Crikey, Poppy, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Good girl. She's even sat down, look. She's, what's this, look? She must know. Yes, you do. What is it? Good girl. Come on then. Good girl. I'm just going to stroke her for a little bit first with the noise near her, so she knows that it's nice. It's a nice feeling. It's not going to hurt, even though she's had this done many times by the groomer. But I just wanted to know that I'm not going to hurt her, although she knows that anyway, really. I think she's more concerned about where the treats are, actually. So let's get going. Right. Good girl, Poppy. Even Mummy's nervous. Oh, look at that. Wow, she's just stood there letting me do it. Oh, she is a good girl. Oh, you are a good girl, Poppy. You are a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Poppy. Come here. Come on. Good girl. It's coming off nicely, actually. She did need doing, that's for sure, actually. And I think 2, by looking at it, 2's a nice length. Aday's gone in because obviously he's allergic to Poppy, to be honest with you. This is why we have to keep her short. So the last thing he wants to be is outside and there's hair flying everywhere. So yeah, he's gone in. Now obviously this is going to take me longer than if a groomer was doing it, because I've never done it before and I want to do it properly. I don't want to have him bits out here and bits out there, so. Good girl. So she's obviously used to the noise with going to the groomer, so that's really good. It's not bothering her at all. She's still more interested in these little treats. So I'm going to just stop. I'm going to give her another one. There you go, look. That's a very good girl, Poppy. Very good girl. If there are any professional groomers out there that's watching this, I would be interested in any feedback, any tips, anything that you can suggest I can do better or that I'm not doing right, then please put in the comments, because I do plan on doing this on a regular basis with her. Good girl. She actually is enjoying it, I think. So yeah, I am really interested in any feedback that you can give me. But you can see how comfortable she is with me doing it. Which is brilliant. Good girl, you're going to roll over for mummy. Roll over, no. You just want to lay down. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Right, now I'm just going to switch this off and give her a little brush. Come here then, let's see how we've done so far. Come here to me. Oh, good girl. She's wagging her tail and she's laying down. She really is happy, aren't you? You're such a good girl. Yes, right, let's do underneath first. Come here, good girl. Wait a minute. You're going to roll over. Come here. Mummy wants to do underneath. Look, I know you want these treats, but you're doing ever so well. You can have another one in a minute. Just a minute. Right then. Right, come here. Wait a minute, Poppy. She just wants the treats. Just a minute. You can have one in a minute. Right, come over here. Right, now stay there. No, stay there. Right, now I'm not sure how you do the tail. If you cut it, or I don't want to, because they have a gristle and I don't want to get that. Obviously, I'm not sure how to do the tail. Do you clipper it? Do we clipper it, Poppy? What does Bev do? Shall we try clippering it on a longer one? I think on a longer one. So come here. Wait a minute. So let's do it on a longer one. So this is on a number 4, and I've just flayed her tail out, and I'm just going on it. And again, whether I'm doing it right or not, I haven't a clue, but it's looking okay so far. And you've got that guard on, so I'm not going to hurt her. So let's see what that looks like. I think that looks nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. It's shortened the tail, but it's nice. I like that. You've got a little fluffy tail, Poppy. Yes, you have. Right, now round her face. I think you clip round her face. And Mummy's just going to clip. I haven't got a... So just be good. There we go. It's a very good girl. I'm quite pleased with this. Right, let's have a look. Right, wait there. So number 2 again. So I'm just going to take the hair out of there. And then we're going to give this another clip up here. Wait, up, stay. Right, I really wanted to do underneath, but she's not laying over. But she's not really got long hair underneath, to be fair. So I think she'll be fine. I am missing bits because I keep getting little clumps out when I'm going over it. So I do just need to go over it a little bit. If you roll over, Poppy, I'll give you another treat. Let me just get her to roll over. Right, Poppy, I need you to roll over for Mummy. Stay. Let me Let me just clip these. That stay. Let me just clip her. Wait a minute. That's nice. Now hold the foot. Wait. Come here. Wait. Hold the foot. Good girl. Stay there. I'm just being very careful. I am. So now I'm just going to cut around the bottom. I'm not going to shave it. It gets a bit bristly and I don't want it to feel like that. So there we go. Just a minute. Oh, you're going to lay down again. Let's have a look at you. No, come here. Up. Just a minute. Bark in a minute. Good girl. I want Daddy to come and see what he thinks. Right then. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at you. I think you look lovely. Just a minute. Got missed a bit there. You are good. Good girl. Oh, she's rolling over for Mummy. Good girl. Good girl. That's what Mummy wanted you to do. Good girl, Poppy. Good girl. Mummy's tickling your tummy. Good girl. There you go. Right, I think you are done, Missy. Let me just do these bits. This bit. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Right then. So now I think you look beautiful. Yes, I do. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. That's a good girl. Yes. That's a good girl. There we go. Yeah. Oh, is that nice? There we go. That's a very good girl. Well done. Well done. There. Well, I think for my first attempt, I don't think that's bad. And I think, Poppy, you have been a little star. Absolute little star. Right, next, I think we're going to clean your teeth, Poppy. That's a good girl. Let's see if you like it first, shall we? I'm just going to put a little bit on the brush, I think. And see if she likes it. Let her lick it first. There you go. Is that nice? What is it, Poppy? Do you like it? Look. Oh, is that nice? Oh, so she likes it. Look. There. So she knows it's going to taste a little bit more. I'm putting the tiniest bit on just so she can taste it first. There. So now we're going to put a little bit more on, and I'm going to try and go in now, clean her teeth. So let's have a look. Poppy, let's clean those teeth. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. That's a good girl. Come on. Come on. It's not that easy actually to get in the mouth, but I'm going to try. There. She likes the taste anyway. Come on. Come on. Good girl, Poppy. Good girl, Poppy. You're thinking, there's a bit too much for one day, Mummy. Right. Here, what's this, look? What's this? Don't you jump down off that table. Okay. Come on. What's this? What is it? Do you want it? Want it? I think I'm going to leave it there. I have managed to clean them a little bit. Come on then. Good girl. Come on, let me just clean them a little bit more. She doesn't really like this. Oh, she doesn't really like this bit. You don't like that bit, do you? No. I think we might leave that for now. I think she's had enough, so I've introduced her to the toothpaste and the brush. Maybe next time she'll let me do it a little bit more. But I think for now she looks lovely, so we're going to give her a bath. And then once we've done that, dry her and then see what she looks like properly. But I think so far I've done a pretty good job. Let's get you down, Poppy. Good girl. So I think these clippers are brilliant. They feel really good quality, and I think for £25, in fact I think it was 24, I think they're an absolute bargain, and they feel really nice, and they just feel a really nice quality clipper as clippers go. I can put those away now. Now it's Wall, if anybody wants to know, and I would recommend them. Like I say, you won't really see what she's like properly until I've bathed her, but I think for a first attempt it's not a bad attempt. And as I say, if there is anybody who is a dog groomer that watches this, please put in the comments any tips you've got for me, any recommendations, anything I've done wrong, anything I could do better, then please let me know, because I do want to do this myself on a regular basis, seeing as I've got them as well, and I'm quite sure with practice I can only get better. So, good girl, Poppy. Good girl, Poppy. Stay there. That's it. Good girl. And now we're going to give her a little bath, a little shower, a bath, or whatever you want to call it. Try not to get her ears too wet, because you don't really want water in dogs' ears, because it can cause ear infections. And I don't use a dog shampoo, I use baby shampoo, and it's almost really nice actually. It makes her smell lovely and it lasts, and I think it's gentle on her skin. But again, if there is any reason why I shouldn't be using baby shampoo, then please let me know, and I will get some proper dog shampoo, because I know you can get it, but I always use this. I try not to go like scratch too much into her fur, into her skin, because I'm assuming you might take away some essential oils that are in her skin, and it could cause irritation. So I don't, do it too much. It's sort of superficial on her fur, really, just to freshen her up and what have you. So let's do your foot, Poppy. That's it. And this one. Good girl. That's a good girl, Poppy. Do you know, she is absolutely amazing. She is just so good. And I'm quite sure it's because ever since she was a pup, I've always took her to be groomed. In fact, I used to do her myself up until she was about, well, 4 really. It's only really in the last few years that I've started doing it. So let me do her head. But again, I don't want to do in her ears or getting her ears wet really, or her eyes. I don't want it in her eyes either. So that, I think, is fine. There we go. You are a good girl, Poppy. Wait a minute, that's a good girl. Good girl, Poppy, good girl. So I'm just going to wash and rinse her body first, underneath, make sure she's all rinsed before I do her head, because when I do her head, I don't want it to be too wet really, so I'm just going to do it quickly like that. But you've got to wash your face, Poppy, just not too much. Okay, that's a good girl. That's a very good girl. Well done. Well done. So now I can take her out and dry her. And then I'll wash the bath once she's dry. So just 1 second. I don't really want to. Yeah, I'm going to get you out. I'm going to give you a treat. I am. Stay there. Stay. Good girl. Come here. Yeah. Well done, Poppy. Well done. So, Poppy's all done. I hope you enjoyed that vlog, and I hope that I did a good job and that you think I did a good job. You've been a good girl. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Thanks from me and Poppy. Bye.